In the first video of this series, we discussed in detail some interesting aspects related to mantras. People were introduced to the mantra. In the video, we told you that mantras, in a way, provide protection to humans, and the release of various mantras can have different effects on us and the environment around us. In the second part of this series, let us understand how these mantras scientifically affect our current situation. What is the secrets hidden in the scriptures? A very famous author and expert was Masaru Emoto of Japan, who discovered through his experiments that water molecules are affected by different sound frequencies. Water molecules change their structure in different environments. If the water molecules of spring water are frozen and observed through a microscope, they appear to be structures of very beautiful geometric design patterns. If the same water is taken from a tap and frozen, the molecular structure, when seen through a microscope, appears quite disturbed. A similar experiment was done by Masaru Emoto on rice by placing boiled rice in 2 glass vials and exposing one vial to negative thoughts and sounds and the other to only positive sounds. In his experiment, it was found that when negative thoughts and words were directed at the vial, the rice in it spoiled quickly, while the rice in the vial exposed to positive thoughts and sounds did not spoil as quickly. Nobel Prize-winning scientist Luc Montagnier, who discovered the HIV virus, also proved through his experiments that water has the ability to store information and remember sound waves and frequencies. Its molecules and DNA store this information. He has a very famous documentary on this, which you can find by searching on Google. Now, you must be thinking why I am discussing water. We call water as life. If it is proved that positive words and thoughts have a positive effect on water molecules, and that water has the ability to store memories, think about these positive sound frequencies, which we call mantras, that are scientifically designed to have an impact on our human body and the environment around us. Imagine how deep the effect would be on our human body, which is made up of 70% water. That is why, friends, the Sanskrit words of these mantras and their pronunciation must be used in the correct manner, and more emphasis has been given to repeating these mantra words in our scriptures, so that these mantras can have a positive effect on our body. There is a famous quote by Tesla: "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." This entire universe is a cosmic cycle in which different types of energy flow at different frequencies, which we also call cosmic energy. In our previous video, we told you how we remain trapped in our physical and mental levels. That is why we are never able to connect in our life at the cosmic level, which is the divine level. Mantras are like devices that help us connect the complex, entangled electromagnetic wave patterns and frequencies running inside the thermochemical and physiological changes of our body. They help us connect with cosmic waves and make us physically and mentally strong. You must have seen in many videos before how different types of sounds have different effects on objects, from very delicate to thin sound frequencies. If an ear gets damaged due to high frequency, then sound frequencies and thoughts can affect liquids like water, as well as solid materials. Similarly, mantra words and their pronunciation have a deep impact on our body and circumstances, especially on our mental body. Just as on the physical level, when we listen to good sound, our mood becomes better. Similarly, mantras are a systematic sound technology designed for different types of karma, which helps in different tasks. Mantras were used in ancient times. Our human brains are clogged with various kinds of disturbed thoughts 24 hours a day. When we focus on something, the interference of the frequencies running in our mind gets reduced, and we are able to focus in one place. This is why repetition of the mantra is advised, so that while meditating, the structure of our mental vibrations improves from within, peace increases, and we get freedom from worldly troubles. Also, our body becomes healthier, and our lifespan increases. I know that after hearing all this, a question must have arisen in your minds. You must be wondering how these mantras were designed to have such a great effect on our body and the environment around us. Who created them? And how do they work in such a powerful way? In the next part, we will discuss this topic in detail. I hope you all have understood a little bit of the science behind the effect of mantras from this video.